Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe an indoor or outdoor place where it is easy for you to study. The first question is, what's the difference between learning face to face with teachers and learning by yourself? So the question is asking whether it is easier for someone to learn via face to face, that is in a classroom setting, or online. Okay. Well, there are distinct differences between learning face to face with teachers versus learning on your own. With teachers, you get direct explanation and can ask questions right away, but it's less flexible time wise. For example, in a chemistry class, the teacher can demonstrate experiments and provide guidance. Learning independently allows you to go at your own pace and focus on specific topics. But there is an absence of a guide teacher, due to which some students may misunderstand some concepts. Second question is, do you prefer to study at home or study in other places? Well, I prefer studying at home most of the time because it's quiet and comfortable for me to concentrate. For instance, at home I can listen to music and take breaks whenever I need. But I also like going to the library sometimes for a change of scenery and access to more books and resources that I may not have at home. Okay, so in the library you can access various kinds of books which you may not have at home. Third question is, what are the benefits of gaining work experience while studying? I think getting work experience through internships or part time jobs while in school is really helpful. It allows one to apply what you are learning in a real workplace setting, develop practical skills for that job, and build professional connections. For instance, if an accounting student is doing bookkeeping at a small business, it would teach him or her skills which they can directly use later on. Okay. Fourth and the last question is, do most people like to study in a noisy place? No. Most people don't like studying in noisy environments. Loud places like cafes are distracting and make it hard to focus on reading textbooks or work assignments. Peaceful, quiet, like a private room, is much better for effective studying and concentration. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button